Do 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 play castle.
Play castle.
Hi princes and princesses. Today we're going to take a look at a very cool toy that I found. It is a 1976 vintage Fisher-Price Lucky Puzzle Dog. Let's take a look. This dog can be taken apart piece by piece and then built back together again. Let's take off his ears first. Oops. You can twist them off. Let's take a look at the ears. Here's Lucky Dog's ears. Now let's take off the top part of Lucky Dog's head. Here's Lucky Dog's head, his eyes, his nose, and a few whisker holes, a couple of whisker holes. And see, there's the hole, so you can slip it back on the middle part. There it is. Now let's look at Lucky Dog's bottom part of his face. Slip it off. Here it is. Here's the bottom half, his little smile, and some more whisker holes. Super cool. This is a very rare toy. I'm very happy I found it. Next, let's take off his red collar. Here it is. This is Lucky Dog's red collar. It's a very beautiful bright red color. There it is. Pretty cool. And the rest of the pieces are just the bottom half of his body. They kind of look like hockey pucks with a hole in the middle, don't they? And the bottom part, his feet. And here's the stick to hold up the body. Super cool. It's kind of like a rolling pin or something. All right, let's build our dog. Screw this part in. Let's do it one more time. Thanks for watching our video and playing along with us, princes and princesses. And Lucky Dog would like to say goodbye. Arf, arf! Bye-bye, boys and girls! Arf, arf! See you later, guys!